In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hostinger domain to your render application. Now, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is go to your Hostinger and then sign into your Hostinger account. The next thing you're going to do is go to render and then log into your render account also. And once you're on your render workspace, I want you to look for the service that you want to connect the Hostinger domain to, and we're going to choose this service on our dashboard. Now, when we choose the service, on the left sidebar, we're going to see settings. We're going to click on settings, and we're going to scroll down till we see custom domain. Now, we're going to click on add custom domain. Now, we're going to go to Hostinger, and we're going to go to domains. We're going to go to domain portfolio, and in domain portfolio, we're going to look for the domain that we want to add to render. We're going to copy that domain, and we're going to go to render, and we're going to paste this domain in render. And we click on save. Now, render is going to give you some records to add to your Hostinger domain. So you're going to go to Hostinger. What we're going to do is we're going to add, it says an a name or alias record pointing to this link. But if your DNS provider does not support a name or alias record, you need an a record pointing to this link. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go to Hostinger and we're going to click on manage on the domain that we want to add. Now on the manage, on the left sidebar here, we're going to come to DNS or name servers. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add an A type, and the name is going to point to the root directory, and the IP is going to point to the IP that was given to us on render, and we're going to add a record. Now we're going to go back to render. We're going to do the same for the other instruction that render gave us to add a CNAME record to a www name and to this link. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to add another type, CNAME. The name should be www, and the target should be the render link, and we're going to click on add record. Now we're going to go back to render, and we're going to click on verify to verify that this record has been propagated. And usually it takes up from 24 hours to 48 hours to fully propagate, but as you can see, this has been verified, and the next one is going to take some time to get verified. Now that's how you connect your Hostinger domain to render. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.